You spend an hour applying serums before bed, but when the sun comes up, the mirror shows a different story: tangled hair and deep creases. The culprit in this daily regression is rarely the products themselves, but the surface you sleep on, the standard cotton pillowcase. At a microscopic level, cotton is highly absorbent. Porous fibers act like a sponge, pulling natural oils directly off your skin. For hair, rough, jagged cotton drags against the shaft, forcing delicate outer cuticles to splinter and lift. By sticking with traditional bedding, you are effectively paying to undo your own hair and skin progress for 8 hours every single night. I wanted to see if the viral satin secret was a legitimate biological remedy or just another superficial trend, so I decided to test it. The immediate changes were noticeable, but I was surprised by a specific side effect that only appeared exactly on day 7 of the trial. This split screen shows why weave matters. The cotton on the left is a chaotic, grid-like structure. On the right, the satin weave is perfectly aligned, creating a smooth surface that allows for movement without resistance. To make sure the results were accurate, I kept everything else the same. I used the same products and the same routine, changing absolutely nothing but the fabric of my pillowcase. Improving your morning results isn't always about adding more products. It's often about removing the structural friction that is working against you. The first night feels different immediately. The fabric is cooler and lacks the grip of cotton, which changes how your face rests against the pillow. This gliding effect is what physicists call slip. Because satin has a low coefficient of friction, biological elements like hair strands can slide across the surface without catching or snagging. By the third morning, the physical findings were specific. The usual sleep creases on my cheeks were gone, and my skin felt noticeably more hydrated. Because the fabric isn't porous, the serums I applied at night stayed on my face where they belong, rather than being absorbed into the pillow fibers. This trial demonstrates that the environment you sleep in dictates how well your active beauty products can actually perform. However, many people fail here by buying cheap synthetic fake satin made of polyester. These fabrics look shiny, but don't breathe, which leads to a different set of problems. When heat and unevaporated sweat are tracked against the skin for 8 hours, it creates a humid environment that can trigger bacterial breakouts. Maintenance is another common error. If you wash delicate satin in high heat, the fibers warp, which ruins the smooth texture and eliminates the fabric slip. It's also important to remember that while reducing friction helps the surface of the skin, it won't fix internal health issues or hormonal acne. If you don't execute the swap correctly, you're just trading a friction problem for a temperature and breathability problem. This brings us to the day 7 discovery. I realized that a single hairstyle was staying intact for 2 to 3 days longer than usual because the hair wasn't being roughed up overnight. The final results were consistent: a significant reduction in morning frizz and a more resilient moisture barrier on my skin. To maximize these results, you can pair the pillowcase with a loose silk scrunchie, as shown here. This prevents tension at the crown of the head, ensuring that your hair isn't being pulled or broken while you sleep. By removing this constant mechanical stress, you are finally allowing the skin and hair to remain undisturbed during their natural nighttime repair cycle. This fabric swap represents a shift toward passive self-care, making your environment do the work for you while you're unconscious. When you look at the cost, a one-time upgrade to your bedding is significantly more affordable than the recurring cost of hair masks and intensive skin repair creams. Check your own pillowcase tonight and ask if it's working for or against you. Let me know in the comments if you're sticking with cotton or moving to satin. If you want to see more tests on the biology behind your daily routines, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Taking control of your sleep environment is a practical way to ensure your nighttime routine actually lasts until morning.